Hello everyone!
Come to
Tony Station
and subscribe for
for me.
to me. Alright, so what we talking about today? Today? Tony?
Farm animals.
Oh, beautiful.
Are you crazy?
No.
Oh, the Emily. Which animal here you like, Emily? Which animal you like?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Oh, you like rabbit? Why do you like rabbit, Emily? Rabbit? Yes, right. Why you like rabbit?
Give me! I will eat it! Now!
Oh my God, the noisy. Emily.
Naughty!
Naughty. Alright. Now, Tony, can you talk about something about rabbit?
The rabbit is animal that can jump and it's always vegetable and never eat meat.
Yeah. Which vegetable
stay.
rabbit like to eat the most?
Don't move! Don't move! Yeah.
Which animal you rabbit eat, Tony?
Rabbit eat no animal.
Huh? So eat what vegetable they like to eat?
Carrots or morning. More what? I don't
Morning.
remember.
Water. That's right.
Yeah, maybe.
Right. So rabbit, very beautiful one. How about the next one, Emily? Do you know this animal? Can you speak louder? Oh,
Very good.
very good. Perfect, super. Oh, can you tell something about the cat, Emily?
Cat eat for me.
Ah,
Cat eat for me.
the cat nap. Yeah, that's right. Oh my God. Tony, can you tell something about the cat?
Cats is an animal that you can take care in at home,
Mm-hmm.
but it's usually like meat
Mm-hmm.
and its favorite food is fish.
Fish.
I
Oh, nice.
stay.
So you have a many cat there over there. That's right.
Yeah.
So many Lego cat.
Yeah. I don't get mine.
Oh my
Cheating.
God. Can you show for everyone here? Tony? Another very beautiful cat here. Oh my God. Ah, very beautiful cat. Okay, how about the next animal, Tony?
Cow.
Cow. Eat a cow.
The cow.
Cow.
How you tell something about the cow,
Don't be
Tony?
naughty. The cow is a kind of animal that you can get meat and and milk
Milk.
from them.
Oh, from that. Yes, good. Yeah, you like the milk from them, that's right, Tony?
Maybe.
Maybe only. Yeah, sometimes I see you eat every morning, is that right? You drink every
Maybe.
morning. How about the next one, Tony?
The sheep.
Emily. She know it. Sheep. Yeah. Emily, do you like the leaf of the sheep here? Not baby tree. This is sushi
Get
sheep.
up. Get up.
Yeah.
Don't be
Sorry.
crazy.
Can you tell something about a sheep to me?
Susie say sheep eat what?
In where? Tony, can you tell something about
Susie eat sushi.
The sheep could make you move and you could make a bed or some clothes.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah.
Can make it closer. Like this one. From this one that way.
Yeah. It wore.
Wolf.
Susie,
W-O-L.
W-O-L. Gold. Gold.
Crazy.
Gold like this. Hair.
Maybe. Hey, yo.
Sorry.
My cat. No. It died.
Yeah. Do you know he's talking something about me?
No,
He whispered to my eyes.
No.
My ears.
No.
She talks that for me go to drink water. Sorry everyone, for Emily go to drink water. Alright. So, how about the next one, Tony?
It's a rooster.
Rooster. Oh, beautiful.
stop.
Like you.
And
What
we
does
just
that
something
mean?
about the rooster. Tony.
Huh?
Can you tell something? The rooster.
Rooster is just like chicken, but it's male chicken.
Male chicken.
Yeah, and it's always crop it cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yeah, that's I know that is in America or UK they tell like that.
Yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Every morning.
Every morning.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Get back.
Alright, I didn't like this anymore because it look very strong and very powerful. How about the next one today? Emily, do you know this one? Today, you know this one?
This is a horse.
Horse.
Not a unicorn.
Yeah, unicorn.
Unicorn.
Alright. That is not a horse.
Not this one, okay?
The horse.
Crazy one.
Alright. Can you tell something about the horse today?
The horse that is a fast animal and it could be smart. I don't know.
Yeah, 3 more. And we can lie on the horseback and we will ride on the horse to go everywhere, that's right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. And the horse very strong one. And the mommy is the horse one.
Really? Ah, yeah.
It's good. How about the next one, Tony?
Duck. Hey, where are you? Why you appear here? Get up.
Emily, can you tell this animal, Emily? And do you know this animal? Emily?
Like it.
I like it.
How about this animal, Emily?
Oh my god.
Super!
I died.
Very loud.
I died. I know.
Emily, can you tell something about the duck? Oh my god. Tony, can you tell something about the duck?
The duck is just like a swan, but it's smaller and it's always have a yellow color. And also it can swim. And it's always head. When it's swimming.
Yeah.
Hey, can you?
How about the last one?
Hey, stupid finger.
How about the last one?
Hand.
Hen. Can you tell something about hen?
The hen is a chicken, but it's female, and it's always bird egg, and the egg is hatched and turned to the chick.
Yeah. Oh, beautiful, Tony. You are good like this one. So today is all animal here. Which animal you like the most, Tony?
Cat.
How about Emily? Which animal you like the most here? Speak. Rabbit. Oh. Oh my god.
Aren't you scared one?
Just scared one. Okay, so we finished today already. So can you tell someone goodbye, everyone? And you go there. Hey, Tony, here we can have someone to listen to us. Okay, say goodbye to everyone. See you next time.
Stop it, Bye bye.